welcome back to another Sunday meal prep. So this weekend was a busy weekend because we were originally supposed to get married on October the 17th. However, COVID happened and changed our plans a bit, but we still had some fun things to do. So I wanted to make sure I got my meal prep done quickly this weekend. So today I'm going to be showing you another really quick and easy meal prep, along with one that is quite budget friendly, because that is one of my most viewed videos, the budget friendly meal prep. So I'll make sure I get those recipes to you. Just head on over to NicoleSinga.com and you can see all the recipes I'm gonna be making today. And definitely don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments below any kind of future videos that you wanna see. Let me know if you try any of the recipes. I always love to hear that. But without further ado, let's get into it.
So the first dish I'm making here is the sheet pan Mexican black bean and rice dish. So I'm just chopping up peppers. I like to choose different colors just to make it fun, along with the red onion. And I'm just going to be throwing that on a sheet pan with parchment paper with some brown rice, some cooked black beans, along with a bunch of spices. So you're putting that in the oven for about a half an hour and turning halfway. And then I also threw these in at the same time, so I'm just roasting the potatoes with some oregano and avocado oil for the lentil and potato salad. And then while those two dishes are cooking, I'm just putting together the pizzas. So what I did is I fried the onions in some avocado oil along with some balsamic vinegar, and then I'm just layering them on top of the naan bread with some vegan cheese, Brussels sprouts, and also some cubed tofu that I also make when the onions are frying. And then once the other dishes are done, I'll just pop this into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm just assembling the potato salad with lentils. I always use canned beans, by the way. Just saves time. I just make sure I rinse them. So I add on the canned lentils on top of the salad that I'm assembling here. And it's actually so delicious. I made a herb dressing as well. And then again, the recipe is on my website. And then the overnight oats that you've seen me make a million times. You can grab that recipe on my website as well. Alright, so that completes my speedy and cost-effective meal prep. So I have the potato lentil salads here, and I have the tofu and Brussels sprout pizzas as well, and then have the one pan Mexican rice dish, and I pair that with some salsa, and of course I have the classic overnight oats.
All right, so that was my quick and easy budget-friendly meal prep. So definitely let me know which one you want to try, or if you do end up trying which one, let me know how you like it. And head on over to NicoleSinga.com for the full recipes, and don't forget to subscribe to see some future meal prep videos. Thanks so much.